Alright guys, so today I'm going on a tour to Isla de Mujeres, which is an island off of the coast of Playa del Carmen. So let's go check it out. Alright guys, so I just finished lunch. It's included on the Isla de Mujeres tour. So you get chicken, fish, salad, anything you want. It's unlimited. Beers, I'm not drinking right now, but beers, alcohol, and we have like our own little private beach. If you haven't taken this tour, you gotta take it if you come to the area for sure. Okay, so the second stop of the tour is the souvenir or the shopping stop. So we're pulling up on this island to grab any souvenirs or shopping for 30 minutes and then we're heading out. you guys enjoyed this episode of Isla de Mujeres with me. I had such a great time today. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I enjoyed filming it. If you liked it, please don't forget to like it down below, as well as subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on future episodes. Muchas gracias and adios.